Good morning, students. We are now going to start with 1.2, an encounter of a special kind. An encounter of a special kind. Special kind. Encounter. What do you mean by encounter? Anybody? Encounter. To go front to front or have a fight with. एखाद्याशी सामना करणे. And a special kind. That is, it is not normal. It is something different type of attack or different type of face to face. Now we are turning to warming up chit chat. There are some questions in chit chat. You can read in your book. Read what is the question there. The question is what do you see in the picture? What can be the answer? You can see in the picture that a girl is drawn up to her neck and nose into a muddy water, and she had a basket on her head, and she is carrying a puppy in that basket on her head. What does this picture suggest? I would like to ask. This picture suggests that the puppy is loved, very loved one by of the girl, and the girl want to save the puppy's life. Secondly, puppy itself can't save its life, so the girl is trying to save her puppy or save that puppy. Go to the next question. What do you think the girl is trying to do? The girl is trying to save the life of the puppy. Why? Because she loves the puppy and the puppy cannot save itself. Go to the next. If you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? Yes, anybody? If you were in the place of that girl, you will not let the puppy be drowned into that muddy water. You would have also saved the puppy's life. Do you think she will become successful in her mission? In her work? The work she had decided to do? If a person decides to do something, the person becomes successful. So you can say that the girl will be successful in her mission. These are the questions may be answered in this way. Now go to the next point. In the next point, you have four pictures. And the pictures are picture number 1, 2, 3, 4. They are denoted, they are ABCD. What does the picture? A, B, C, D. What does the picture A shows? Go to the points given below and match them. In the A picture, the person is very happy with all the books. In the B picture, the person is enjoying reading. The C picture shows that there is a great bungalow having trees around it. In the D picture, the person is reading, but some kind of sounds are coming from the window, from the door, or from around his house. Now match them. First picture A, the person says, my favorite pastime. It matches with 2. Second, first picture matches with the point number 2. And B picture, engrossed in reading. Engrossed in reading. Right or not? Try to do. C picture, say our luxurious bungalow. 1. C picture is 1. And second, B picture A. B picture. The B picture is of, there is a person who is engrossed in his reading, so it is 4. And what about D picture? The remaining, the person is hearing some sound, so he says there is something commotion outside. These expressions are matched with the statements or its the explanation. Now go to the lesson. An encounter of a special kind. We have already said that encounter is to go to face with some calamity or some hazard, and this encounter, ladai samna, and this encounter is not a common one, is of some special kind. It is different from normal happenings. Now go to the first paragraph, read it for you. Now read it for you. Now see, I read, and by the way, keep a side on the column or questions in that column. Now see, we are said here, an encounter of a special kind. My father was a medical professional working for a private company in Raniganj in West Bengal. The officers of the company were housed in individual bungalows inside a large campus. Our house was in a corner of a campus. The officers' club was adjacent to the boundary wall of our garden. Look this. I have read 4 lines for you. The narrator has started directly telling his story, that his father was a medical professional working for a private company in Raniganj. The place is Raniganj. The writer says his father was a medical practitioner. These are the facts. And the question is said there, what was the profession of writer's father? As anybody? Writer's father was medical professional. Describe, now see, his father was at Raniganj and he was a medical professional. Our house was in the corner of the campus. The officers in that company were living in a special campus. That is an area, and that area is a special, and in that area they were living. And now see the speciality of this area. The officers' club was adjacent to the boundary wall of our garden, and the officers' club was there, and it was adjacent, च्या बाजूला, लागूनच, adjacent to the boundary of our garden. The compound was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. The seasonal vegetables in the kitchen garden of the households and the magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels and many species of birds. A group of langurs had even made their den in an ashwagandha tree nearby. They had all become a part and parcel of our existence and daily life. Go to the line. The compound was luxurious with green grass. This compound, it was adjacent to the area, and in that area, the club was there, and in that club there were trees, there was grass, and it was very beautiful, and it attracted to many animals, squirrels, and many species of birds. Not only this, he adds another attribute, another thing to it, that a group of langurs that monkeys, and they had made an abode of them there in those trees. The langurs were there. आणि ही जी माकडं होती, या माकडांनी त्यांची आता देन इज गुहा, but monkeys live in trees, so you can say they are abode. त्यांचं वसतिस्थान त्यांनी त्या ठिकाणी बनवलं होतं. Again he says normally that these langurs, these squirrels, these birds were become the part and parcel of. The phrase is there, part and parcel. अविभाज्य घटक, and unavoidable fact. Unavoidable fact. अशी गोष्ट की जी त्यांच्या जीवनातून वगळता येऊ शकत नाही. It is normal, they live with them. Even the bird, squirrels and langurs live with them, and these people live with them. They were accustomed of them. And so he says that, we have a question in the margin. What is the question? Describe the campus where the writer's family lived. Is the question. And now what we read is the answer. We will read it for you, for us, all of us. Describe the campus. Simple. The campus was, how many adjectives are there? Count them. These are, the campus was luxurious, had green grass, colorful flowers, majestic trees, seasonal vegetables, many kinds of or species of animals, birds that were there. There were langurs. These all facts or adjectives, gather them, and these things described in your writing. So this is the area and of the family of writer lived in. Now go to the next paragraph. A small incident on a Saturday afternoon left a profound effect on me and unfolded before my eyes a whole new dimension to the wonders of God's creation. Go to the word. A small incident on that Saturday afternoon left a profound effect. The word is profound. What do you mean by profound? That is very deep. That is very deep. खूप खोल, सखोल असा परिणाम माझ्या मनावर त्या दिवसाच्या, त्या शनिवारच्या दुपारच्या वेळेला घडलेल्या इन्सिडेंट प्रसंगाने घडवला. की त्या प्रसंगाने मला दाखवून दिलं की गॉड्स क्रिएशन, देवाची निर्मिती, देवाने निर्माण केलेली निर्मिती किती विलोभनीय असते आणि किती विलोभनीय आहे हे मला दाखवून दिलं. इट वॉज अ फ्यू डेज इन टू द पूजा व्हॅकेशन, जस्ट लाईक फॉर एनी अदर चाइल्ड, द हॉलिडेज प्रोव्हाइडेड an opportunity for me to become engrossed in various magazines and storybooks, and engrossed in magazines and storybooks published especially for children in the festive season. It was a few days into the puja vacation. You know Raniganj in West Bengal, and West Bengal is famous for the puja of Devi, that is goddess Amba, and the Navratri pujan, Dashera pujan, Pongal pujan are also very famous from those areas. That is Karnataka, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu. So in West Bengal, it was the puja period. Students were on vacations, and now the writer says, as I am a kid, I had an opportunity for that period to read books. Those were specially published for children. After an hearty lunch, the word engross you know very well. After a hearty lunch, my parents and my younger sister lay down for an afternoon nap, and I settled down with a story. The writer is again describing the story of the afternoon. He says, in the afternoon they had an hearty lunch. Hearty, 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 मनपसंद, very liked by one, by a person. आवडीचं जेवण घेतल्यानंतर they had a nap, वामकुक्षी, a small minute to minute or 10 to 15 minute sleep in the noon after the meal. He enjoyed the meal, hearty meal, and his family was taking a nap now in the afternoon. It was a time. It is the described time here, and he says ahead that the quiet afternoon presented the perfect backdrop for reading an adventure story. Perfect backdrop for reading an adventure story. The situation was like that. It was time really to read a story so that the writer himself took a book. The silence was occasionally broken up by the sound of my family snoring, the intermittent chirping of house sparrows, the harsh crowing of a crow, the shrill call of a kite flying high above the ground. See, the situation is described again here. What is the situation like? The situation of the afternoon or the environment of the afternoon, like that the family mates of the writer, of the speaker, were snoring while they were taking their nap, while they were sleeping. They were snoring intermittently, that is adun-madun, occasionally. Chirping of house sparrows also happened there. Again, sometimes a harsh crowing sound of a crow was also heard. Shrill call of a flying kite, that is a kind of bird, was flying over the ground, and his shrill was also heard. And minutes were ticked by. CICKED, onomatopoeic word. Onomatopoeic word. Onomatopoeia is also what? Do you know onomatopoeia? The sound of something is said in the same letters. The tick sound of a wall clock is expressed by the ticked by. Minutes were ticked by, time was going on, and what happened? I became deeply absorbed in the book. What kind of book was the writer reading? The writer was reading a story book, an adventure book, a novel, magazine. He was read there. The writer was reading a. Find out. The writer in that line, it was perfect backdrop for reading an adventure story. He was reading a story, and the story was adventure story. And the same time something happened. What happened? Go to the next paragraph. Suddenly I heard a group of street dogs barking furiously in the distance. थोड्या अंतरावर काही कुत्री खूप मोठ्यानं भुंकत आहेत असं लेखक म्हणताय. लेखक वर्णन करतोय आणि एवढ्या शांततेमध्ये he said, I chose to ignore the commotion, thinking that the pack of dogs, कुत्र्यांचा घोळका, pack of cards, ज्याला तुम्ही पत्त्यांचा संच, पत्त्यांचा कॅट म्हणतात, that is called not cat, it is a pack. It is a pack. एकत्र गठ्ठा, समूह या अर्थाने, कलेक्शन, बंडल. A bundle of a group of dogs must have, he said, I chose to ignore. I decided to ignore the happening, ignore the commotion of the dogs, because thinking that the pack of dogs might have cornered a helpless pig. असह्य अशा एखाद्या डुकराला, पिगला त्यांनी एखाद्या कॉर्नरला, एखाद्या कोपऱ्याला दाबलं असेल, एकाच वेळेस पकडलं असेल, त्याचा हा गोंधळ असावा असं तो म्हणतोय की असं समजून आय डिसाइडेड टू इग्नोर दॅट कमोशन and began reading the story, adventurous. What kind of story it was? Adventure story. And go ahead. But soon the barking became louder and more aggressive, and alarmed cawing of flocks of crows added to the cacophony. Cacophony means noise, confusion created by various kinds of loud noise, that is cacophony. All the sounds are heard at the same time and one cannot decide what is it about. This situation is described by the word cacophony. So he says that barking become louder, aggressive and alarm of cawing of crows. Happened a cacophony there. I also heard the disturbance approaching closer. The writer says this kind of noise was not going away, it was coming closer to me, closer to our house, and curiosity got the better of me. The writer says the curiosity in my mind, what it would be, what the commotion is about, what the commotion is about, this kind of curiosity took place in my mind, the writer says, in his mind, and so he leaving back the book aside, I rushed to the veranda to see what was going on.